Hi guys, this is Asta Shah, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. I know you're staring at this, which is my pimple, but let me give you a backstory. There's no backstory. You'll be like, huh, every video where she says she's got her periods, but actually, my periods are gonna come in the next 1 week. So, before that, a lot of heat gets generated in my body, and because of that, I don't keep getting too many, but like a few breakouts here and there. I know it looks funny, but I can't do anything about it. It's my face. Otherwise, I generally don't get any acne all over my face ever. It's sometimes when I get my periods, just 1 week before that, I get it. Otherwise, I have a clear, clean, white face. I have a shoot with Times of India today. If I get a chance, of course, I'm going to show you what's happening at the shoot. It's a 1 hour shoot for Women's Day. Before that, I have to get ready. Actually, as usual, I'm super late and I have to get ready. I have 30 minutes where I'm going to do my makeup and my hair and my clothes. So, I'm just here to show you my quickest makeup routine because I don't have time. And I'm not someone who puts a lot of makeup generally. Plus, I feel this is like a Times of India interview, so you have to be like a little formalish. I don't know. Yeah, see my makeup routine with me. Bye. I've just come out of a shower, so I'm already feeling fresh, but assume I've used a toner on my face because right now my toner is over, so I can't show you which toner I'm using. I'm directly starting with the vitamin C serum. This is from Kylie Skin, which I'd got in a PR package. Most of my products I use is what we get from PR packages, and every creator will tell you this. But anyway, let me use this quickly. Guys, I felt like something weird came out of it, but nothing came. I'm just like, so actually, I'm like a crazy, crazy overthinker. I think I was born that way, and I don't know how to change that. Every situation, I think of it as if I don't know what has happened and the world is gonna end tomorrow. So I don't know. I pity the people who are close to me. Since I have OCD issues, I generally have this whole makeup drawer which is kept properly right now because I cleaned it a day ago. Otherwise, generally it's in a mess. And this from here, I generally pick everything before getting married. No, before getting ready. I don't know why I said before getting married. But recently, I went for a shoot, so all my things are in this. We're gonna pick from this and get ready quickly. Next is my favorite, which is the Ordinary Eye Serum. I've been using it since a while, so please excuse all of this. I'm gonna quickly apply this. This is maybe not my step to step makeup routine, but this is like my quick makeup routine, I think. So I don't get like dark circles, but I get like purple circles because I'm so fair. I don't know if you can see it. At this point, I just want to quickly conceal this little red dot here. I have no idea what happened to the previous frame. I was zoomed in as if I don't know what. I think even the phone wanted to show the world how my acne is looking. Anyway, I use a lot of different moisturizers like MAC, Dot and Key, Lakme, etc. But currently, I want to finish this small little bottle which is there from Simple. I've actually already applied a lot of moisturizer, so I'm not going to reapply it. It didn't come in the previous shot, and I just did this little moving kind of thing on my face to massage it. This is what I showed in the previous shot. Now let's move to the next one. Sunscreen from Garnier. Okay, guys, sunscreen is like the most important thing in my life because I have vitiligo. I get a lot of sunburns and I really need to be careful. I'm probably just going to make a separate video just about the sunscreens I use. I can't even see myself for the first time. I'm doing it without a mirror. My mirror is here actually. The best part about the sunscreen from Garnier is that you also have this spray sunscreen which you can spray over makeup. So I generally carry this with me everywhere because suddenly if it's hot and I want to apply some and it's sunny, it's become extremely hot in Bombay. So I'll just put this quickly and makeup doesn't go from here to there at all. I don't go without the vitamin enriched face base from Bobbi Brown. I coincidentally got this as a collab 2-3 months ago and I did shot a video for them. And since then, I've been loving this product. Like, it's so good. This is like the last bit in my skincare. My favorite and the world's favorite, sorry guys, it's become dirty, is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Letting my skincare set for a bit until I'm back to do my base and then some blush and some highlighter. Okay, we're back. So actually, again, when I just go out, normally I don't apply like a concealer or a foundation, but sometimes I just apply a concealer and go out. Okay, guys, please excuse me, but my Huda Beauty concealer, I don't know why in the makeup kit, this has happened in the past 3-4 times I've bought this, it just gets leaked. So I have this little cover which I put on top of it. This also actually used for something else, but it's like fully dirty, but I can't do anything. Finally, I'm coming to like conceal. This is in shade, it's like a white shade, in shade whipped cream. Whipped cream. Okay, guys, now I won't be able to see it, so I'm probably gonna go in the mirror and see how I'm applying it. I don't know if like pimple patches have worked for you guys, but I've been using one which has really worked for me, and I keep it all night, and next morning it just every single day it just gets better, and it gets healed faster. I generally do it with a brush, but my blush. See, again, I'm not able to speak today. Something's wrong with me. My brush is lost, so just deal with me. And I'm gonna quickly dab it out and conceal. So a lot of people, sometimes I even put the foundation first and then the concealer. Sometimes only concealer. Sometimes concealer and then the foundation. I think it just depends on how you want your makeup to look. I don't know. I'm not some professional makeup artist, but I was never a makeup person. I used to look like I literally used to roam like a boy earlier. Okay, I'm quickly gonna go even this out and come back. Bobbi Brown Weightless Skin Foundation in N012. Again, it's very tough to get a foundation of my shade, and this is what I'm actually working towards. I really want to start something which gets easier for people with vitiligo. I'm not promoting the fact that you need to apply makeup if you have vitiligo, but that's your personal choice, right? I don't apply a lot of makeup, but in this industry, many times for shoots to come in front of the camera, you need to do it and you don't have a choice. So this is one of the foundations I really like because it's extremely light on the skin, and I don't like applying like 2, 3, or 4 layers. I don't know. I'm gonna quickly apply it and show it to you guys. Again, I've lost my brush, so deal with me. I'm gonna dab, and spread it all over. I don't know if this is also the exact shade, but it just like is so light that it just blends into my skin, and I feel like I've not applied any product and it just feels nice. Like it just removes all that redness. I don't have any scars or anything on my face which I really need to cover. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. It's my favorite song. Also, guys, I have a dream that I really want to meet Winnie Harlow, and I hope I do someday. And I hope you guys make it true. The day it comes true, this is the video we're going to go back to saying that, hey guys, it was Astha's dream to always meet and speak to Winnie Harlow about her entire journey. I know you can't see much of a difference, but that's the thing about my skin. I don't think you can see too much of a difference before and after wake up. Of course, you can. The fact that this red thing is gone. Sorry for talking so quickly, but I'm getting super late. This red thing is gone, but not fully, and that's okay. I'm okay with like a little bit of it being seen now. I mean, how much of it can I really hide? It's okay. Doesn't matter. Next, moving on to the cream blush, which is from Charlotte Tilbury. You have to like squeeze it, and product comes out. It's quite pigmented, so you need to apply really less. I don't know. I can't see the mirror, so I'm gonna assume I'm applying less. I can't find any of my brushes. I don't know where they are, so it's all gonna blend with my sponge. It's easier to do it with like a brush. I feel a lot of product doesn't get wasted. I feel with a sponge, like a lot of your product gets wasted. And I like it when I think I do it in this little bit of an upward position. I've seen like 100 videos, and this is what I've learned instead of making it look like too patchy. Can you see that blush pigment? Yeah. Again, there are multiple blushes I use, like Too Faced, etc. Right now, I just can find this Maybelline one, which I actually have been using since a while. I really only go for pink blushes because I just like pink. Quickly gonna apply this. I like putting it on my nose as well. Did my eyebrows like off camera. Guys, I feel in makeup there are so many techniques you can use, and I feel there are makeup artists and there are like so many beauty content creators who actually teach you like the perfect things, and that's what I've also learned from like a lot of places. But I, of course, do what actually suits my skin and what works perfectly for me. Earlier, like 4 years ago, I didn't know how to do anything, like literally nothing. And since social media has become such a thing, such a big thing, you can literally learn so much from it. Like step to step, you can learn, and it's amazing. I have entangled my eyebrow brush to my hair. Mascara. I carry a mascara everywhere. It's my favorite. I'm using the Lancome mascara. Guys, I'm gonna go apply it off camera. Sorry, I can't see anything here. This lipstick I've been using since 3 years. I need to get over this and use other shades, but this is literally my favorite. It's from Peri Pera and it's in Ink Velvet 29. The bell rang. I'm gonna be back. My mom sent fruit. She's so cute, guys. Wow. She knows I'm getting late, so she sent me fruits. I could have done a liner, but I'm a very simple girly. I don't like tamjam, and I feel this is a nice, simple interview. I don't think I need to do too much. So I'm gonna quickly apply this. Browns and pinks are my favorite. I don't like red. I don't know why people say it looks good on me, but it just overpowers my entire face so much. I don't like it. As usual, I have to forget something. I forgot my lip liner, but deal with it. I'm setting it right now. I don't want to put a highlighter also because I don't think it's like some crazy, like it's not a fancy shoot or something. It's an interview. So I don't think I need the highlighter. Setting it all. This is like my simplest makeup and quickest makeup I've done. Not quickest because I'm shooting, but yeah, this is how my quick makeup is done if you want me to get ready in 10 minutes. But guess what? Now I still have my hair and I still have my outfit left to wear. I need to leave plus eat my fruits. I'm going mad. This is how my hair looks now. I recently got the Dyson, so I'm going to flaunt my Dyson every video, guys. So see you in every video with my Dyson. I don't want to shove it in your face. I'm really sorry about this. But even I've got it after so many years and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm going to use my Dyson and quickly do my hair. Bro, just like look at this. Look what's wrong with my hair. Ta-da! Sorry, that was like so cringe. That's my Dyson. I'm not going to show it because you will see it in my previous. You must have seen my previous video how to use the Dyson. So I'm quickly going to switch to just connecting everything and showing it to you how it works. Sorry for this accent, but I think I'm holding the Dyson, so that's where the accent is coming from. मैं सिर्फ हिंदी में ही बात करती हूँ. I think I'm going to make a video where I'm only speaking in Hindi because people actually tell me, मैम आप हिंदी में क्यों नहीं बात करते हो? आपको हिंदी नहीं आती? मुझे हिंदी आती है, guys. आती है. I'm sure you can see the change in my hair. It's crazy. I'm going to quickly use the voluminizer and give a little volume to my hair over here. For better results, I'm sure you have to use like a mousse and stuff to give, or like a spray which gives volume to your hair. But this is for the 15th or 1 lakh time. I'm telling you, no time. So we have to deal with this. Guys, can you see that instant volume? It's so good. I love it. I just hope this stays. I'm going to apply little serum. I'm not going to do anything else. I don't want to curl it and stuff. But I'm quickly going to put some serum to like let the frizz go a bit. I want to flaunt it a bit before adding serum. Just assume my manager is screaming at the back. Ask her, you need to get done quickly. Okay, serum done. I've just clipped my hair until I get ready. Now I quickly need to decide my outfit. I wanted to do this jumpsuit, but I've worn it many times now. It's the most formal jumpsuit I have in beige. But now I'm thinking of a black shirt, black pants, or like a white shirt and black pants. 5 minutes and we need to get ready. I am extremely late right now. So I'm going to quickly show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this green blazer, a black top and black pants and like heels. I don't know if you saw my heels, but yeah, maybe like a white and green would have gone, but I've already worn that, so I want to wear something different. So I've done like black and green, these little earrings, my watch, and I think it's quite a bit of a formal look. What do you think? We're in Fort, almost there. 2 minutes, 1 minute away. I ended up being like 6 minutes late, which is still fine. Bro, you are the main person to vlog. I've been talking about you, manager. No one knows only who it is. The main girl behind everything, right? Guys, meet Sakshi. She does everything for me. I've been vlogging today because of her. I'm on YouTube because of her.
We need more vlogs. Guys, do you think that Asta is vlogging less? I think so.
I'm not vlogging less, dude. Today I did my whole makeup look and everything.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Finally. Yes.
I also have a skin condition named vitiligo, which actually means that the cells which have colored your skin, known as melanocytes, they stop functioning and you turn from like brown skin color to white skin color. So you know this kind of pressure which comes, I feel, from the society. If you don't have like good relatives, this is where you psychologically get so affected, and this is where like the mental health game comes in.
Correct. And in fact, I'm surprised to know that if it's evenly spread and there are no patches, now you have a same skin.
Yeah.
And people have issues with that as
Yeah,
well.
because
so
I'm-
disheartening.
Yeah, like and you know what? It's not even this. Like people have so many different thoughts. Like you know they'll call me. They'll be like you're like a white cat. You know you washed yourself in a washing machine, and you know it's like so many things they tell you. Again, it can affect you, but it's the way you perceive it. I feel. So that strength doesn't come in 2 days.
I am back home from the shoot. It was such a nice interview, such a candid interview. I'm someone who doesn't generally like when the questions are sent before, because I mean I'm not someone who's going to script it down and write down everything. I always talk based on my experiences, so I always love for it to be on the spot. The host was so nice, she was so sweet. The way she was asking everything, the way she was being real and asking me to be real was very nice. And the fact that it's Times of India, which is very cool. I've grown up literally reading those newspapers and stuff. I actually saw right now when I tagged them on Instagram in 2019, my Humans of Bombay post, which went viral. I'd actually sent it to them to make them aware about my story and how things change. I was actually called to their office today to give an interview. So yeah, it feels so nice, it feels so good, I'm so proud of myself. I don't know why I'm giving you kisses, but like you give me kisses. Just gonna give you a gist of what I actually spoke about. I spoke about my entire content creation journey, my vitiligo journey, how I moved from finance to this glamorous world, just everything about social media. It was specifically for Women's Day, so a few questions about women. And please go watch the interview. It's gonna be coming out before I actually post this vlog, so go watch it. I'm gonna add the link in the description. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like my vlog, please go like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.